this video, I'm going to teach you how to get better on camera, even if you never done it before. Hi, my name is Mario, and I've been doing content for over 10 years, work with hundreds of business owners, and made thousands of video content. Believe it or not, this is something I believe you can do as well. My goal after you watching this video is from you to go from uncomfortable to completely enjoy the process of creating your own videos. So without further ado, let's dive right in. There are 4 main topics that I want to touch base today. There could be many others that we can explore in a different video, but I believe these 4 are the focus points that will take you from awkward to completely confident. Number 1 is get comfortable being uncomfortable. I would love to promise you that the more you do it, that uncomfortable feeling that you get every time you hit record, it's gonna go away. Reality is that's not going away. What's gonna give you the confidence to do what you have to do in front of the camera is knowing that you did the homework. It's knowing that you did the work. It's knowing that you prepare. And that's when topic number 3 comes in. I want you to write your ideas. And if it's possible, write them in a piece of paper. I'm not asking you to go online and do a research on YouTube or ask business partners or whoever. I want you to write your own ideas. What are the videos that you would like to see as an individual? What are those type of videos? Write down the title. Write down maybe 2 sentences. What's your idea? Write it down. What's going to happen once you write your idea, your brain automatically is going to start to run. You will be able to start putting together this video in your head. Stories, experiences, things that you went through, things that you think, I wish I knew this trick. I wish I knew this go around. That reminds me of point number 2. Filter your ideas through practice. Before you hit record, before you start writing anything else, start practicing. You can do this while you take a shower. You can do this while you drive. Start yapping about that specific idea. Let everything come out. Everything is fair game. So after you filter those ideas through practice, you're going to find out which ideas are the winner ideas. Those ideas that you'll be like, I want to do this on a video. I think this is going to be great. And that leaves us with point number 1. Do it often. How many times? Often. This will have a different meaning for a lot of people. For you, it might mean that you can post every single day for 30 days. This could possibly mean that you can only do it once a week. But if the goal is to post once a week for a full month, that means 4 videos. So if you believe that you can do that, I believe that you can do that as well. Get comfortable getting uncomfortable. Write your ideas. Filter those ideas through practice and do it often. You see, what I just described, it won't give you the perfect video. And you know why? Because the perfect video does not exist. What this will give you is the confidence to do it over and over. Now, I promise you, you get better the more you do it. Because at the beginning, it's all about consistency, not perfection. If this helped you, give it a like, give it a share, and see you in the next one.